Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Crisp for Help Widget UX Design easy tutorial step by. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Crisp. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. After that, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Review Crisp's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Now, click on the Create Account button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Go to your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Crisp. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will take you back to the Crisp dashboard. Here, you will be asked to set up your profile. Enter your company name and any relevant details about your business. Next, you'll need to install the Crisp widget on your website. Follow the provided instructions to integrate the widget into your site. Once the installation is complete, return to the Crisp dashboard. You can now customize the Help widget's design to fit your brand. Explore the various design options available. Make adjustments to colors, fonts, and layout as needed. When you are satisfied with the design, save your changes. Test the Help widget on your website to ensure it functions correctly. If everything looks good, you are all set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.